Motor Misfit. Yo, what's up, everybody? This is your boy Los, Motor Misfit. Thank you for tuning in. Let's get some things out of the way. Don't mind the mess in the background, but let's get some things out of the way. Follow us on Motor Misfit on Facebook and on YouTube. Check out the website motormisfit.com, and on Instagram we are motor_misfit. All right, so that's out of the way. Comment, like, subscribe, follow, all of that good stuff. Good? All right, we're good. So I know I haven't put out a lot of videos in a while. A lot of stuff has happened. If you haven't seen my last video, I got into an ILX. I traded in the black Civic Type R, got into the ILX, got it back for some issue, and now I'm in a white Civic Type R. Let me fix that a little bit. All right, there you go. White Civic Type R. Now this is the car that I always wanted. I mean, the color I always wanted, right? And I'm actually very happy that I got it, because I did notice that once I went into the ILX, I really missed my Type R. So I'm happy I was able to get it back. I love the Mustang, but right now the V8 for me won't work out. So Type R is where it's at. Wouldn't be able to get a Mustang, and with that guzzle and with that guzzling gas, V8, nah, wouldn't work out for me. So Type R is back. It's a white one, right what I wanted, championship white. And the bad thing is that we have to now do mods again, because when I got rid of the black one, I sold everything that I had on the black one. Had the intercooler, PRL intercooler, Mishimoto intake, cold air intake. I had IBAC lowering springs, the Pro Kit ones. I had H&R wheel spacers. I had a what do you call it? I know I had more stuff on there. I don't know. Oh, I had the oil catch can. I had the MXP exhaust. So again, don't mind the mess. I had the MXP exhaust, and basically I had to sell all of that. Oh, I also had wheels that I didn't put on the black one, but I needed to put on, and I wasn't able to put on yet. So basically, we're gonna do this mod now. We're going to check out what's going on and check out how easy it will be. So I'll put some video of this. I'm not gonna put the entire thing, because I know it's gonna take at least an hour, I'm thinking, but whatever. We're gonna get this done. So let's unbox. But we got it. All right, let's do this. Ooh, some goodness up in here. All right, we got this. We got this. Some stuff up in there. This thing. All right. PRL Motorsports, and then I don't know what this is. I don't even take house. All right, so that is the unboxing. Cool. Let's jump into the install. All right, guys. So put this on already, and I took off the screws for this right here, just the cover. So we took those screws off. The instructions say to put this up in there. Alright, and then make sure that I think it goes like this. And then I guess make sure that over here you have the screw, so you can easy access it right there. So we're gonna follow that, and I'll just tighten this up right here. Cool. Yeah, so sorry I haven't been taking a lot of video. I've just been trying to do this quick. I almost got it all in. All right, so only thing that's pissing me off is this right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a little gap in between the hose and the inlet tube. So I don't know, can't figure it out how to get it a little closer. Hopefully it doesn't let air escape out, but hey, it is what it is. But about to be done. Just gotta screw everything back in and tie that last hose clamp. So let's go. Okay, so finally got it figured out. Actually, there's still a little gap. It's pissing me off, but whatever. I'll have my boy at Honda kind of look at that, see if he can fix that. But that's basically it. Look at this. So here we go. Looks really clean. So like that. Like it a lot better than the Mishimoto. No disrespect to Mishimoto, but gotta do that real quick. No disrespect to Mishimoto, but I heard this this sounds a lot better. So let me fix this thing, and then we should be good to go. Just double checking everything. Got that. Alright, that. I should probably zip tie that somewhere. Just come with a zip tie anywhere. Sorry guys, excuse the mess. All this thing, we had to throw a whole bunch of crap in the garage where we shouldn't have. I'm gonna zip tie that, but won't show you all of that. Let's turn the car on and see how this sounds. So I'm gonna leave y'all right there. Let's leave y'all right here. I don't know. Right there. Cool. Let's do it. Oh yeah, definitely like that. So let's go out on a quick drive. Not sure if you guys are gonna be able to hear it too much, but let's go on the quick drive. You guys will see what it sounds like inside the car. I mean, hear it a little bit, but I'm not really pushing it to tell you the truth. Oh, yeah, you heard that. That definitely sounds like a blow-off valve. It's cool. I like it. Let's see. Oh, you caught me. Driver's seatbelt not on. Damn. Alright. We're right there, guys. Alright, we're good. Driver's seatbelt on. Let's take this out real quick. Speed bump. Wow. Yo, I'm not even overacting for YouTube or whatever. I'm not a good actor, so damn. That's all I'm saying. Damn. All right, and again, I'm not even pushing it. But here, we are gonna push it a little. All right. Let's wait for these cars to make a little bit of space between me and the cars in front of me, just so. All right. Let's ready, set, and go. that on the outside. Let me see it with the window up here. You'll be able to hear it. I can't really hear it with the window up. But damn, with that window down, damn. From the outside, you hear this. Alright, let's go again. I mean, you hear it. I'm in fifth right now, and you definitely hear that. You hear the swoosh. No check engine lights, so all good. I guess that little space in between the border and the piping really isn't bad. So yeah. Damn. Let's get this. Yeah. Definitely recommend the PRL high flow intake system, I guess. I don't know. High velocity intake system. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's the stage 2. But definitely recommend it, because yo, this is fire. All right, so shout out to PRL. They did an amazing job, and thank you for watching the video. I know that it's been a little long, and but we got it done. So sorry I couldn't go more into detail. I was trying to get it done quickly. And with that said, check out Everything Motor Misfit. Like, comment, subscribe, follow, all that. MotorMisfit.com, at Motor Misfit, Facebook and YouTube, and Motor_Misfit on Instagram. Peace. Thank you again, guys. Bye.